Hello fellow floor artists and martial artists alike, NI3 here, coming at you with another rope dart video today. And today we're going to go over how to do this body harness, which is birthed from the X on back technique. Now, unlike the previous video I've done, where I've shown that the dart head was on my lead side, as you can see, it's on my anchor side for this one. So without further ado, let's begin.
To start this off, you're going to cast the rope out to your lead side, bring it back around your back, catch with your anchor hand, creating an empty knot as you see it here. While you are doing that, you're going to send the rope back behind your back and catch with your lead hand, and then be ready to catch with your anchor hand. So now you should have this much rope remaining, and then you're going to send it underneath your lead armpit over your anchor shoulder, and then from there you can just let the dart rest as you complete the rest of this move. And what you should have is 2 sets of loops, one on each thumb. You're going to take the loop that's on your lead hand, you're going to transfer it through the loop on your anchor hand, and then from there, just as you see it here, you're going to then take what's left of the leash, you're going to thread it through the loop, creating another loop, and then you're going to do it once more to secure it. Now, if you're using actual rope, this tends to be a little easier, but if you're using the Cobra dart or any other silk related darts, you may have to adjust it some. And as you can see, it's pretty secure. It's not going to go anywhere unless I tug on the leash to release it, and then you see the X on the back there.
And that, friends, is how you do the X on back version of the body harness. It's a great way of concealing it if you're wearing a jacket over it. And then when you're ready to use it, you just simply pull on the rope with your anchor hand. Make sure you grab it with your lead, unravel it from around your neck. And that is how we do the X on back version of the body harness. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.